Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Arvind and you are catching on another Sudoku gameplay, guys. Okay, by the way, this is my second Sudoku gameplay which I'm going to show to you. If you haven't watched the first Sudoku gameplay, I have inserted in the link above so you can have a look at them. So without further ado, let's watch the Sudoku gameplay 2 now. Alright guys, so I hope that you have enjoyed this Sudoku gameplay that I've shown to you. If you think that this Sudoku is enjoyable and informative at the same time, so make sure you leave this video a thumbs up. And then also not to forget, if you want more similar content regarding Sudoku gameplay, so what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming Sudoku gameplay in the future. Thank you so much for your support and I'll see you next time.